So we were immensely proud to welcome the Scottish Summit to P&J Live in October 2024.
The venue is unbelievable. We've run multiple different venues up and down the country before. This is one of the most spectacular. The lighting, the effects that they've been able to do during the keynote. They've got the team available within the keynote team to be able to have lights and fireworks and production and stuff. It's some places.
So once your event has been contracted by myself or one of the team, we will hand you over to one of our 6 event managers, and they will then work with you to deliver that event going forward. They can liaise with any third-party suppliers that you may be working with, or you can work direct with the event manager to discuss things like your catering, your AV requirements.
So on the lead up to the event, we've been having calls every couple of days, getting things going, but it feels like the event team here are an extension of our Scottish Summit volunteers. We looked at venues, and actually we still looked at 3 other venues, and when we came here, the first place we came to in the venue was a car park, and even in the car park we were like, wow, this is a nice venue. And then we moved around the venue to then see other things, and yeah, by the time we had left the venue we knew we were choosing here. We also attended an event last night as well, which was fantastic. Everything about the whole venue, the staff has been amazing.
Scottish Summit lasted 3 days, and for 2 of the 3 days the client wanted to offer some evening entertainment to their guests. So we hosted a couple of pub quiz nights for them as of a more relaxed dining setting, and this is something that we're able to easily accommodate. However, we can also offer a more formal 3-course sit-down meal for delegates.
We found out that there was a link with the hotels at the Hilton and the Aloft, but we were also introduced to Visit Aberdeen, and they were able to connect us in with Loganair, with some of the rail companies, to get amenable transport for everyone, because it's expensive to get to these places. So being able to have somewhere self-contained with hotels, with food, with entertainment, it's been great.